Hey guys, all right, so check this out. This freaking car jumper is insane. I've only used it once, but that one time just blew me away. I have owned it several car jumpers before. This is actually my first large version, which is neat because it makes a huge difference when it comes to jumping cars. So the first time I used it, it was a regular sedan, but when I connected it, it's freaking amazing because I just need to use it once and that's it. I didn't have to like plug it in multiple times, which is what I'm used to with the other ones. So here's a quick tour. So here's the front right here. You have a Qi charger. That's freaking awesome if you wanted to wirelessly charge your device. This is large enough where if you wanted to charge it, I don't use it as that just because I just keep it in my car as an emergency backup. I have a Tesla, so I don't use it for my car, but I use it for whenever I need to jump other people's cars. And it's really neat, especially since this happens to my parents a lot. So you have a Qi charger right here, you have a power button, and then you also have a light. So when you push the power button, lets you know how many charge you have. So even jumping that one car, it didn't even use a single bar. That's freaking awesome. You have a light right here. Careful, sorry, it's gonna strobe. So press it. Oh, sorry, press and hold, turns it on. Press it one more time, it goes through your SOS. Press it one more time, it flashes, and then you have this right here, and it goes back to like solid. So this actually helped me out a lot, just because when I jumped my neighbor's car, they didn't have lights, so when I was jumping it, I was able to orientate this towards the battery. It's so freaking awesome. Here's the side right here. You have your USB peripherals. So you have a USB-A, so this is an output, so this is where you would charge your device, charge other devices. You have this right here, so USB-C. That's also awesome. This is an out, so you charge other devices with the C, and then you charge this device with the USB-C. This is your input right here. So that's really awesome that you have that ability. And then here is where you would jump it. So all you do is just connect this as such. So when you connect that, this is going to start flashing. So you plug this into the battery, wait until this is solid, and then you would turn on the car, which is freaking awesome because it's simple. Like, it works so well. It's gonna keep flashing until it knows that it's plugged into a battery and it's safe for it to jump start. If it's still flashing, don't do anything. Wait for that solid indicator, and if it doesn't do anything, just unplug the battery, unplug this, and then reconnect it. But I haven't had that issue. Again, I've only used it once, but it's freaking amazing. Highly recommend this thing. It's like, it's beefy. It's nice because if you're in an emergency, right? If you're in an emergency, you could use this as a battery pack. You could use it to jump other cars. I think this is like invaluable. Highly recommend.